everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to prepare steamed fish, some boiled food on the side. So here are my fish. I have 3 local fish here and my seasoned and vegetable that I'm gonna put in it. Alright, so now wash them off now before we cut them up, so stay tuned. And then we're gonna put some oil in it. Some people add butter to start off. Just add some of the seasoning. Some of the seasoning, not all of it, just some of it. Alright. And then we're gonna add like the pumpkin, carrot, and the egg. Alright, so I'm gonna kind of, liquid it and then add the water, alright? So guys, welcome back. So the season kind of fry out now. And we're ready to add some water. Woo! See that, guys? I'm gonna add some water now. This is enough water, I think. So now that's when we're gonna put down everything. So I'm gonna add I'm gonna add some of the catsup now. Make it kind of cook down a little, and the pimento seed. Alright then when our vegetables are cooked, not cooked fully, we'll add the fish after. Alright, so we're gonna check on the vegetable now. Woo! So I added the hot soup already, so probably if I get the little thick up body, yeah, I'm gonna strain my one, you make move and everything there. So yeah, vegetable and basically para cook. So we're gonna add our fish now. This, add the fish. Trying to get the fish under there, you know. Sorry. Right. So ensure so the vegetable cover the top. So I'm gonna put that to steam now, and we're gonna add the remaining seasoning to the top. See, pumpkin cook basically. So just time now to add the remaining seasoning to the top, and the okras and so forth. So add the remaining season and the okra. Alright. So there it's fish then basically there under the vegetable. And then we're just gonna leave that to steam. You can look a bit more sauce and stuff. Oh gosh, I shall appreciate this. I'm not a fan of fish, people, but you know, not every once in a time there. And what's me I do it? So it tastes good. And last but not least, we're gonna add our scotch bonnet pepper. So just I'll cut it in half and put it in there. Alright then. So that's it for now. When we come back, it should be finished. Guys, all done. My steamed fish and such. Yeah, as I said, I'm not a big fan of fish. That's why I buy some small one. It's just every once in a while I might feel it and look about it. Alright, so that's the end of my video. Ensure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell to be notified of the next video. Alright, so that's the finished product and results. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, we can cook and stuff.